If you've lost access to your Whitefish credit union account and cannot use your phone number for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the Whitefish Credit Union website. Go to the official Whitefish Credit Union website using a secure internet connection. Look for the login section to access your account. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password or Account Recovery. On the login page, find and click on the Forgot Password or Account Recovery link. This will direct you to the recovery options available for your account. Step 3. Choose alternative recovery options. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use ASRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Follow the prompts. Carefully follow the prompts provided on the screen. If you choose to answer security questions, input your answers accurately. If using email, check your inbox for a recovery link sent by the credit union. Step 5. Reset your password. Once you successfully verify your identity through the chosen method, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before and confirm it. After completing these steps, you should be able to access your Whitefish credit union account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.